Most people think the stock market is complicated. It isn't. It only feels complicated because no one explains it simply. At its core, the stock market is just ownership. When you buy a stock, you are buying a small piece of a company. Not a chart, not a ticker symbol, a business. If the business grows, your piece becomes more valuable. If it struggles, your piece loses value. That's it. But here's where it changes. You are not the only one buying and selling. Millions of people are, every second, each with their own beliefs, their own fears, their own expectations. And that's what creates price movement. Not the company itself, but what people think the company is worth, right now and in the future. Stocks don't move on facts alone. They move on perception, on anticipation, on emotion. A company can report strong earnings, and the stock can still fall because the market expected more. This is where most people get confused. They think investing is about being right. It's not. It's about being early or being aligned with where the majority is heading, because price follows belief, not logic. The market is also not a single place. There is no central location. It's a network, a system of exchanges, buyers and sellers connected globally, always moving, always reacting. News, interest rates, economic data, even a single headline can shift billions of dollars in seconds. And yet, the goal remains simple. Buy something for less than what you believe it will be worth later, sell it for more. That's investing. But time is what most people underestimate, because the biggest gains in the market do not happen overnight. They happen slowly, quietly, through compounding. A stock that grows, and then grows again, and then grows again, turns small investments into large ones, not through speed, but through consistency. That's why long-term investors win. They are not chasing every move, they are not reacting to every headline, they are letting time do the work. While others are trying to outsmart the market, they are simply staying in it, because the market rewards patience, not perfection. We think the stock market is about buying and selling. It's not. It's about understanding value and having the discipline to wait for it to grow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the free resources in the video description. Thank you for watching.